So now that you've seen the overview of how the neighborhood pages work and what they can do, the question becomes, how do you create the user accounts and how do you create that private neighborhood group? So in this video, I wanted to show you how simple it is to create a group. It's actually shockingly simple, so we'll go through it right now. So if you're on your chatter page, you'll see your profile, and all you have to do is go out to the main chatter the feed, the news feed, and you do that just by clicking on this link here, right here. This is chatter, and let's make a new group. We're just going to call it Test Neighborhood, and so let's click on Groups, and what we want to do then is just click this button that says New Group. And let's just call it Test Neighborhood Association. And so down here in the description, what you'll want to do is put some sort of a description that tells people what they're going to get out of it. So maybe this is a private neighbors only page for the residents of Test Neighborhood Association, and then you could go on to write whatever it is you want. Then what you'll want to do is I would recommend that you check the little box that says "Don't automatically archive this group." That way, if there's not a lot of action in the group, which I doubt this would be the case, but let's just say there isn't, it's not going to archive stuff and make it go away. So that way people can always go back and see it. And then lastly, the most important thing is the access for the group. Now, for any of these neighborhood groups, I strongly recommend that you make them private, because the whole idea is you want something unique and special for this neighborhood. So you can go ahead and click on private. And the other very important thing, you want to click this allow customers box. What that means is the group will allow you to invite outsiders into it, which of course these neighbors, they're not CRM users as we showed in the video overview. They're only accessing the social media aspects of the system for the neighborhood group. So just check that box, and then all you have to do is click the Save button, and it's going to say, do you really want to allow external customers to be invited to this group? And just click OK. And there you go, you have the group. So then the next steps, of course, you're going to want to fill out more information. You can edit your description, or you can add neighborhood information. You'll want to add a photo, so maybe a landmark, or something that's very familiar to everybody in that neighborhood. And then you're off and running.